welcome back to our channel. Nellie, I'm Nell.
And I'm Lee.
And today we're going to do a little Christmas fashion show with Alicia's dog, Chloe. Alicia went online and she bought the cutest Christmas outfits for her. So,
Five Below?
Yeah, Five Below.
Yeah.
So we're going to put them on her and we're going to give you guys a little fashion show with her.
Yes. She's so cute.
Yes. Today is December 1st, so happy December, you guys.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Alicia and I love December. We love Christmas, everything about it.
It's the best.
Yes.
So we're going to be doing some Christmas videos, but we decided not to do a Vlogmas because our following isn't that big yet, and we figured we'll wait for that for next year as our channel continues to grow.
Right.
But we will be making videos that are related to the holiday for the month of December.
Yep. So we'll start the video by showing you guys each outfit first, and then we'll put them on Chloe so you guys can see.
Little catwalk for you.
So we'll start with our favorite outfit. I think we both can agree this one's our favorite. It's so cute. It comes with a little hood.
We love snowflakes. Look at that. She's gonna look so cute in that.
It's adorable. And then here's the next one. This one's really cute too, and it's funny.
Oh snap. Yeah, I love it.
And then this one's cute too. They're all so cute. This one has a little star on the hood.
Oh my gosh.
And then of course you have to get an ugly sweater.
Have to. Oh, does that read upside down?
What?
On there?
Just backwards.
Oh, backwards, yeah.
It says ugly sweater potty. Okay,
love the pun. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little fashion show with them on. So let's get into it.
Oh my goodness! Look at this cutie. Paw? Oh, give me kisses. Paw? Oh.
You promise she's smart.
Hello.
Oh,
Where are you going? Oh my goodness. Chloe, are you our tree topper? Oh. Oh, where's your head? There's your head. Oh, cute girl.
Here she is.
The star of the show. She was so cute and she was so good. She let me
really
put all
was.
the outfits on her.
I know.
Of course, she kept trying to take them off though.
Yeah. She's like hyperventilating and panting.
So,
She's like, no, mother, no.
oh, but you're such a good girl. Give mommy kisses.
Aw.
I think she's mad at us.
She's mad. What are we gonna do? Oh, she's too cute.
I know.
Kisses? But
She's a good girl.
I want to know, does anybody dress their dog up for, you know, the holidays and put their sweaters?
Mm-hmm.
And if they like it or hate it?
I don't have any animals. I have a fish, but that's about it. So this is fun for
Can't
me.
dress them up, no.
I can't dress them up now.
No.
Nope.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little fun one for the holidays.
Yeah.
And yeah, comment below if you guys do the same thing or whatever. And if you enjoyed it.
And make sure you guys check out Five Below because that's where Alicia
Yes.
bought these.
I got them
outfits
for
from.
like $3.
Yeah, very cheap.
So,
And they're made well.
yeah, they really are.
The quality's really good, so.
And they also have a little spot on the top of them to put the leash.
Yeah.
They made an opening. So if you want to bring them out to go to party, you have it. See? It's perfect.
Mhm.
So they thought of everything.
Yes, they did. Thanks so much for always watching and tuning in.
Definitely.
And next week's video, we're going to do something Christmassy as well. So.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
And if you do have any ideas, give us a comment below. We do have some. But we always like to hear what you want to see.
Yeah, for sure.
So don't forget to click that bell for a notification of every time we upload.
And don't forget to subscribe and like our video.
Yes. And we hope you guys have a very happy holiday and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We love you.
God bless.
Bye.
Bye. Is she pooping? Hey, no. No pooping.
Oh no, you got your sleeve. Uh-oh.